When I look at this pouch, I can only come up with one reason to buy and three reasons why not to buy this pouch. Welcome to another Why Buy or Why Not Buy video. And today we are talking about the Toiletry pouch on chain. The original Toiletry pouch was created back in 1901. I remember seeing pictures of the Toiletry pouch on chain back in like spring of 2021. So the pouch was released, but then soon after, I think it was showing up as sold out online. Now I see the bag is available again on the LV site. So I decided to apply my criteria to determine whether to purchase this pouch. And the only reason I could come up with to purchase is if you really love the design and the style. So when you look at the design, it's basically the same shape as the original. The only thing that's different is they added a chain to it. It still has the zipper closure just like the original. But they also added some card slots on the inside and a separate little small, I think it's like the 15 size toiletry pouch. The biggest change in the style is they added D-rings on the side to add the chain, as well as they added leather like in the gusset area on the sides. But for that hefty price tag of just over $1,700, I'm not sure if it's worth it, or at least it's not worth it to me. I have three reasons why I'm not going to purchase this pouch. The first reason is I already been there and done that with the original toiletry pouch. I mean, I think everybody who actually wanted to hacked the original toiletry pouch and added a chain and wore it as such. In fact, that's probably where LV got the whole concept from. Not to mention, it was way less expensive. I mean, the original pouch was like only $500, maybe $600 it had got up to. And to do a little conversion kit, okay, maybe at the most you would spend $50, and that includes the insert and the chain. Like, it was a no-brainer. The second reason is I got the Kusin. The Kusin is the toiletry pouch on roids. Okay, you're getting leather, all leather on the outside, like a suede interior. You're getting two straps. You're getting the cloth and a chunky chain strap. Like, that is a no-brainer to me. I mean, I know the price is more expensive, but you're getting, I think, a better design, a better style, and all in all, you're getting a lot more. You're getting an actual bag. And number three, if you're not completely sold on that specific design of the pouch and you would look at other designs, there are quite a few that is in the same price range as the toiletry pouch on chain. So for example, the Kirigami set. The Kirigami set is like almost $1,000 less than the toiletry pouch on chain, and you're getting three pieces instead of two pieces. The larger piece can be worn as a clutch. You can add a chain to it. You can hack it and add the inserted chain and wear it as a crossbody. You can use the other pouches as card holders or to hold your items on the inside. It is like the best value. And just a little tidbit, if you like the colorways from the collection, those are the best ones to get in terms of the Kirigami because they typically are limited. Those Kirigamis are sold typically for more than what the actual retail price was on the resale market. Another bag that I think is a better value is the Felici. The Felicia you can get in all leather. It also comes with a zippy pouch and a card slot holder. And you get all of that for $140 less than the toiletry pouch on chain. And last but not least is the Alma BB. This is an actual bag that you can get in either one of the canvas versions, but it also has leather on it, more leather than the toiletry pouch. The Alma BB is also more versatile than that toiletry pouch because it has the top handles on it as well as a strap that will allow you to wear it crossbody. While it don't come with an extra wallet or anything, it does have a pocket on the inside. But get this, it's for the same amount as the toiletry pouch. Let's talk in the comments. Is it just me, or do you feel the same way that the toiletry pouch on chain is just not worth the money? Maybe I'm missing something. Please let me know in the comments. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.